Hello everyone, welcome to Enjoy Learning Computer Science. Today we are going to build our simple home security simulator as the DY activity 2 for the International Teacher Training Program by Stempedia Pictoblox. Okay, so this project monitors the doors and windows of the house, simulates the sensor activity and detects the intruders just like a real IoT security system. So let's see how it works. Okay, so I have used a list to store sensors like doors and windows, and then tuples which helps to log the activity, which door is intruder have arrived or what is the status. Then a for loop which checks all the sensors. A while loop keeps the system running continuously. It's like a forever loop, and if any sensor shows open, it throws a warning like alert, intrusion detected. So it even logs all activity using the loop. So let's see how I have coded. So you can see here. So first I have created a list called sensors, where I have all this different main door sensor, you have living room window sensor, so back door window sensor, back door sensor, and upstairs door sensor. So these are the sensors available. I have put it inside a list. Then the status. Initially I have given the status as closed into the length of sensors. Now you can see, so the loop will go forever. It is a forever loop. So while true, the security system will be monitoring continuously. So initially it was false. Now I have used random function. So if the random which is generated between 1 and 10 is greater than 8, then your sensor status will be opened, otherwise it is closed. So when it is open, it throws a alert message stating alert, intrusion detected. So this is how my project works. Let's see, let's execute. So it shows, okay, smart home security system monitoring, main door closed. So initially main door closed. Now living room window open, the status is back door closed, update door, upstairs door also closed. So since the living room window is open, status is given, so it is giving an alert stating intrusion detected. Now type exit to stop monitoring or press enter. So let me press enter to continue. I'm sorry. Okay, so again what happens now, also the living room window is open, back door is open, again alert, intrusion detected. So similarly, if you want to continue, I can press enter, otherwise I have to press exit. Now here upstairs door is open, so again it is giving a warning. So your sensor will be opened when the randomly generated number is greater than 8. That's how I have done the program. Now it is closed. Okay, so this is how my project works. So this, if anything suspicious happen, you will get an instant alert like real smart home. Don't you file it as this as an interesting project? So anyway, hope you must liked it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.